We now are going to take the same data set and we are going to do part two, which is an example of unsupervised learning. So if we come up over here to data mining, cluster is unsupervised learning. It's unsupervised because we don't train the model with any specific classification in mind. We are looking for natural groupings in the data. We can tell it how many groups we want, we can force it to a certain value, or we can let it automatically detect. So we are going to go ahead and let it automatically detect. We don't need to set data aside because we don't need to test it. We are doing an unsupervised technique. We now see that we ended up with 5 clusters, 2 of which are very strong. They have no similarity to the other ones. The lines indicate similarity between the clusters. So the first tab shows us the strength of these similarities. This will only show us the strongest links, showing us that 4 and 5 are somewhat related. Or if we want to see all links, then we see that all of them have some things in common. We then go on to the cluster profiles where we can read the actual makeup of these clusters. So for example, our first cluster is made up of mostly younger people. Whether they have a car or not is 50-50. The number of children is pretty varied. Their current account owners. On the lower range of income, kind of showing us that income is kind of related to the age. Mostly married, and so on. And this is how we read these clusters, and we can go along and read all 5 clusters. So for example, these final 2 clusters are our higher income people and also our older people. And probably what's interesting to us is PEP, whether they opened the account, and it looks like really the 3 groups that are kind of older and higher income seem to have done the most opening of the marketing campaign or using of the marketing campaign. So this is how we read these clusters.